Hello everybody. This is supposed to be a quick update about what's going on, showing you that I'm alive and still working on EVA. There's just so much stuff to be done, and I didn't know what to put in this video. So in the background, you can see me unboxing the stuff that I got from you guys because I was able to purchase the LGX and a Copperhead that you'll see in a moment. Thanks to the donations that I got from you guys. Um, it's a weird period of time, uh, me being in a progress of changing jobs. There's also been plenty of work done with the vCores, with vCore 3 and the upgrade for the vCore Pro. So that was a thing. The Duet Toolboard, yeah. That's a thing that's still in progress. I have no idea. Still, I'm trying to figure out each time I'm going into that CAD document. I'm just staring at it, and I have problems figuring out where to put that damn thing. At this point, I think it will probably land in not as a part of the EVA standard per se, but maybe in the contrib page. I'm not sure yet, but it is a tough nut to crack if that's how it's if that's what you say. English is hard. Um, yeah, I'm going to switch a little bit to the stuff that you see. We're going to on the LGX. I am going to be using this Bowden um, adapter to it. It is obviously not going to be Bowden used as a Bowden, but you know, EVA as is not as direct as as direct of a drive as some of you would want it to be. But you know, um, everybody should understand the reasoning behind it at this point. So we're going to use that short over there between the drive and the hot end. And if and that's one thing. There's also a contribution, a very old contribution that I am yet to consume from Olaf, one of the members of the Ratrick community, where he made it work with the previous EVA, with EVA 1, but with the face heavy, because LGX can work like Hemera or Aero does. So I'll try to consume that as well. And that would be something for the release after the toolboard, if toolboard is going to be a proper release, not the country page. About the country page, Mikkel is ruling over that. Please check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And then also there's the so there's that. So what I'm saying is that Duet Toolboard may land on the country page. Over here there's the Copperhead, which I also want to introduce in the next release. Over here it's super tiny, looks great so far. Not going to use that loud fan that it seems like it's supposed to be used with, the same fan from Mosquito. We're going to say no to that. We're going to use our 40mm fans. Over here I was struggling with putting the hot end on the thread. I was afraid at one point that I got the wrong heat break, but nope, it did thread in. So this is going to be a thing as well for EVA, and that's going to be pretty much it. I will soon start. I will maybe next week I'll start sharing the links. So if you you want some early access, let's say, help me with the testing of those things, you should see some prototype links flying around on Discord soon. Link to the Discord community will be in the description. I hope that I will not forget to put it there. That would be it. Thanks again. See you next time and all that fun YouTube stuff. And you can stick around to see me fiddling with those things over here or not, but there's probably not much content over there. Okay, thanks. See you later. Bye.